Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. My name is Gladys and today I'm gonna show you how to achieve a feathery, bushy type of brow. If you are into this video, just keep on watching. The first thing that you want to do is just to grab a brow pencil spoolie, or you can use a disposable spoolie. That's what I'm gonna use today. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of setting spray in the spoolie and rub it in the soap that I have in this little container. You can find it at Walmart or Target or any local drugstore that you have nearby. Now we're just gonna rub the little spoolie on this soap. Try to get some product in it. Try to bring all your little brow hairs upwards like this. I know it's gonna look kind of crazy, just have to work on it. What people always ask me is how I do my brows. For some reason, it's the first thing that they notice on me. To achieve a feathery brow, we're gonna use brow pencils. And I have the MAC brow pencil. You can take any pencil that you have, little strokes like this. You want to use light pressure on your hand to simulate some hair growing like this. If you think you're going too harsh on your brow, you'll go back to your spoolie and try just to brush it out. You can go back to the spoolie with the soap. You notice this empty spaces right over here, and I keep doing that. We're going to the next one, and we're gonna do the same thing. And now that we filled them out, they're gonna look a little bit like this. We're gonna use the BFFS brow number 3. Just gonna dip the brush in the powder. We're gonna do the same thing. Try to bring it upwards. Okay, so now just gonna set. I'm gonna give you a little tip. If you don't have in this moment brow gel, you can either use hair gel. This is actually the one that I'll always use because 3 years ago I wasn't thinking that a brow gel was so important to have, so I used to use this one. Or you can use a hairspray. For one brow, I'm gonna use a brow gel. For the other one, I'm gonna use a regular hair gel, just to show you. I have the Essence Make Me Brow for this brow. Of the product. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Remember, you don't need every single product that I mentioned in this video. You can use whatever you have at home, like hairspray or hair gel. Either way is gonna work for you, and we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up And if you like my content, if you like my videos, please make sure to subscribe. This is it, you guys. I hope to see you till the next one. Bye.